Okay, this is the problem if you are in trouble in a highway about not charging the battery because of the problem in alternator. So that's the problem. You, you need to asking any help for your friend or coworkers about who's gonna booster for the meantime until you reach the Esteban city from between Hillbright and Mildale. So just wait until they coming boostering a little by little until we go home in Esteban. Okay, so it's cloudy and windy and a little bit cold. So more patience we need. So I'm still waiting almost 1.5 hours. Okay. So every time you travel, check everything. But this is incident is not unexpected. So just wait for my coworkers to help me because there's a problem in alternator not charging, so it becomes slowly in the highway. We need to tight the battery from negative to positive because I forgot the portable booster, only the cable. So that's the problem here in the highway. We are lucky because it's daylight saving until 9:30. It's nice weather, only cloudy, a little bit rainy. So I have no choice to wait the co-worker's friend to help me to survive, to remove the vehicle in this area. I have second and third option after cabling or boostering or booster with my two vehicle. So the last option here, it's towing. Instead you stuck in the highway in the dark and stuck you in the highway. So that's the last option for me. Instead you are stuck in the highway for how many hours until the morning. So let's see what happened now, what's going on after this afternoon until the evening. Okay, it's almost 7 p.m. I'm waiting the African guy. Okay, so that's the only choice. And the last choice is the second option is towing or boosting a little by little, or if you have no booster cable or portable cable, you ask something to any help to your friend. Okay, okay, see you guys, and let's see, just subscribe and click the notification bell, share and comments and likes. That's it for now. Okay, see you guys.